Welcome back to Junior Master Builder. This is your Mithrin. Today, I'll be diving deep into the shadows of LEGO Gotham City to build the ultimate LEGO Batcave, packed with gadgets, heroes, and a clown who just won't quit. By the way, how's my new look? Comment what you think. I'm excited. This is LEGO set 76272, the LEGO Batcave with LEGO Batman, LEGO Batgirl, and the LEGO Joker. Let's go! By piece, as I connect the heart of Gotham's greatest hideout. The LEGO computers light up, the armor rack stands tall, and the LEGO Batmobile Bay begins to take shape. Even in LEGO form, the LEGO Batman's attention to detail is unmatched, and so is his obsession with labeling everything. Every LEGO hero needs a base, and this one's legendary. Hidden behind waterfalls and secrets, the LEGO Batcave is where plans are made, villains are tracked, and snacks are probably hidden. Yes, you heard that right, snacks. Haha. Wait, what's that sound? Oh, the LEGO Joker's loose again. He's stolen the LEGO tools, hijacked the LEGO computer, and left a trail of chaos. Classic Joker move. But peace never lasts long in LEGO Gotham City. The LEGO Joker has found a way in, armed with laughter, chaos, and a suspicious number of LEGO explosives. But LEGO Batgirl's on it, and I'm making sure every LEGO piece is locked in for the showdown. Lego Batgirl's ready. Lego Batman's serious. The Lego Joker's probably just here for the fun of it. A Lego Batcave erupts in action. Lego gadgets fly, bricks scatter, and the Lego Joker's evil laugh echoes through the smallest Lego Batcave in Gotham City. It's not about how big the Lego set is, it's about how much imagination you can fit inside it. Don't you agree? And somewhere, Alfred is watching this on a Lego security feed again. Just like that, Gotham City is safe again. Well, at least until the Lego Joker rebuilds himself. The Lego Batcave stands tall, built brick by brick. Proof that every Lego set hides a story waiting to unfold. Comment what you think so far. I'm so excited. Built, battled, rebuilt. This is the Lego Batcave 76272, where chaos meets creativity. Like and subscribe for more Lego adventures, brought to life by your favorite Junior Master Builder Mithrin.
Why so serious?